Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut juice. We will cover the simple ingredients needed, the easy preparation steps, and how to ferment your cabbage to create a delicious and beneficial juice. This guide will help you understand the process from start to finish, ensuring you can enjoy homemade sauerkraut juice with confidence. It is a straightforward method that yields great results every time. To begin your sauerkraut juice journey, gather your essential items. You will need 1 medium head of fresh green cabbage, weighing about 3 pounds, and 2 tablespoons of non-iodized sea salt. For equipment, ensure you have a clean, wide-mouth glass jar, ideally a 1-quart size, along with a grater, a large mixing bowl, and a sturdy cabbage pounder. These simple tools are all you need. Now, let's prepare the cabbage. First, finely shred 1 medium head of cabbage using a grater or a sharp knife. Place the shredded cabbage into a large mixing bowl and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of non-iodized sea salt over it. Vigorously massage and pound the cabbage for about 10 to 15 minutes until a significant amount of brine has formed. Then, pack the cabbage very tightly into your clean glass jar. For fermentation, ensure the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. Use a weight if necessary. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 10 days. Once fermented to your liking, press the cabbage firmly to extract all the delicious, nutrient-rich juice. Store your fresh sauerkraut juice in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.